be disingenuous to pay tribute to the life of Comrade Ahmed Kathrada and pretend that he was not deeply disturbed by the current post-apartheid failure of politics. In this regard, we did not put words into his mouth post facto or posthumously, since, true to his consistent principles, he penned a public letter to the President of our country in which he gave vent to his views about the state of the state in which our nation finds itself. In parts, his letter reads as follows, and I quote, "I have always maintained the position of not speaking out publicly about any difference I may harbor against my leaders and my organization, the ANC. I would only have done so when I thought that some important organizational matters compelled me to raise my concerns. Today, I've decided to break with that tradition. The position of President is one that must at all times unite this country behind a vision and program that seeks to make tomorrow a better day than today.
Good English.
It is a position that requires the respect of all South Africans, which of course must be earned at all times." Comrade Kathy continues, "And bluntly, if not arrogantly, in the face of such persistently widespread criticism, condemnation and demand, is it asking too much to express the hope that you will choose the correct way that is gaining momentum to consider stepping down?" Close.